Hi, I'm Chris. I'm a rising junior at the Bay School of San Francisco, and for my starter project I made an ultrasonic parking sensor, and I'll point out to you some of the key features of it. Now, there are two main parts of the sensor. There is the base and the receiver. The blue screw connectors here facilitate communication between the two parts. Now, after that we have the resistors. The resistors resist current flow, and their stripes represents their value in ohms. Next to them we have capacitors. Now capacitors store electrical energy, and the electrolytic capacitors are polarized and they store even more energy than the standard capacitors do. Here we have a transistor. The transistor turns on and off the circuit board. And of course the sensors themselves, which use ultrasonic waves to detect proximity to an object. Over here we have the speaker, which transmits sound when the sensors are triggered. We have the integrated circuit and integrated circuit mounting brackets. The integrated circuit is essentially a pre-programmed chip that serves as the home base for all the functions of the sensor, and the mounting brackets prevent it from being soldered directly on to the plastic. This is a potentiometer, and the potentiometer controls the threshold of the sensors. We have the quartz crystal here, which controls the frequency of the sound. And lastly, the diodes. Now, the diodes essentially allow current flow in one direction, prevent it in the other. So they do have polarity, and their orientation on the circuit board does matter. And now I will give a demo.